A world on your plate, the diverse landscape of salads. 1. Cobb salad. Cobb salad is a hearty main course salad made with ingredients like grilled chicken, bacon, avocado, hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, and blue cheese, typically served with a vinaigrette or ranch dressing. 2. Caesar salad. Caesar salad features romaine lettuce, crouton, Parmesan cheese, and a creamy Caesar dressing. It's often garnished with anchovies. 3. Greek salad. Greek salad includes ingredients like tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese. It's dressed with olive oil, lemon juice, and Mediterranean herbs. 4. Niçoise salad. Niçoise salad originating from Nice, France. This salad typically includes boiled potatoes, green beans, hard-boiled eggs, olives, and tuna. It's drizzled with a vinaigrette dressing. 5. Caprese salad. This Italian salad features fresh mozzarella cheese, ripe tomatoes, and fresh basil leaves drizzled with balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Chef Chili.